Do you notice that sometimes when you go into a Zoom meeting, you're unable to copy the messages? I find that a bit annoying, but too bad. As a participant, I can't do anything. But this is something that you can let the organizer do, or when you organize a webinar and you see a lot of comments, hey, how come I cannot copy the chat? This is what you need to do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can let participants to copy from a Zoom chat. So again, this can only be done by the host itself. So just make sure to enable this so that everyone have a good time when they are in your meeting. Before I continue, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump into my computer and let me show you how you can allow participants to copy the chat in your Zoom meetings. Let's go. So first of all, you need to log into your Zoom account. So you can't use your Zoom workplace here to do the settings. You have to log into your Zoom account. Okay, now let me just log in. So alright, so I'm now at my Zoom account. You have to go all the way to settings. You can see your settings. You can see as Zoom grow bigger, they have more and more information there. I think we might have to go through some of them at the AI companion. I have not really used it. Maybe I'll use it one day. Okay, so now where you go to meeting. Okay, click on the meeting tab. So you can see that they keep moving things around. Sometimes it could be confusing, so just do take note. When you scroll down all the way, you should be able to see something called meeting chat. Okay, so you can see here in meeting basics. So what happened during a meeting? So meeting chat. Allow participants to send chat messages. You can turn it on or turn it off, but you're having a good meeting, you should have it turned on. And here's the default. And here, this is the important part. Allow user to save chats from the meeting. Some people would just put host and co-host. That means not everyone can save it. But I would suggest to have it everyone so that they don't keep asking you, right? They don't keep asking you, oh, I want to save this, I can't save this, and things like that, alright? But I prefer to have everyone. It depends on the purpose of your chat. If you have very important messages in your meeting that you do not want people to copy and paste, maybe you can do it, but people will still screenshot, so it makes no difference. Okay, but anyway, just make their life tougher. So this is how you can do it, alright, to allow users to save chats from the meetings. When you click everyone at the chat section, right, there's an option for them to save the chat, or they can just like this, then just copy. Alright, for normal, if you put the host and co-host, they are not able to copy the chat or save the chat. So that could be troublesome for them. And you'll receive a lot of comments saying they cannot save the chat. But this is how you can do it. So let's repeat quickly. All you have to do is just go settings, meetings, and scroll all the way here. Allow users to save chats from the meeting and click on everyone. Okay, I hope this is useful for you. If you like what I share, do subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much and I see you next time. Goodbye.